Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error. So if you can't log in, reset your password, or keep seeing this message, just follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger login errors. Next, on Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps, then select Manage Apps or All Apps, depending on your device. Use the search bar at the top to find TikTok and open the app from the list. Once you're inside TikTok settings, tap Force Stop to make sure the app is fully closed. Next, tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. On iPhone, you may need to uninstall and reinstall TikTok to remove old app data. This can fix glitches that prevent logging in. Next, make sure TikTok is updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if a new version is available. Updates often fix bugs and login issues. If you're still facing the error, restart your phone. This refreshes your system and can fix temporary glitches. And finally, if none of these steps work, the problem may be on TikTok's side. Just wait it out. TikTok usually resets the attempts after a few hours, sometimes up to 24 hours. So if you're not in a rush, take a short break and try again later. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error and get back into your account. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.